Hello and welcome back to this channel. Good afternoon to all of you. Hope you all are well and safe in home. So guys, in this video I will share with you a recent job openings from Dubai, and if you are looking a job in any Gulf country, I hope this is a good chance and I hope this information will be valuable for your career. So please keep watching this video till the end and let's know what is the recent job openings from Dubai and how to apply and what is the applications process. So let's start. The first job is leasing manager. So to work as a leasing manager, you should have the proper qualifications and experience as per mentioned here by the employer. As you can see here, a thorough retail professional should minimum 5 years of experience, having thorough market knowledge and good contacts in the industry, should be well experienced with all aspects of acquiring new tenants and retaining them. The positions requires organizing, directing and managing the team of achieving the agreed revenue targets as per the management forecast. Age limit should be 40 years. Job application details: apply with details of and also one passport size photograph to the given official email ID. So if you are interested to apply for this job, please apply as soon as possible through the given official email ID. You can get the all information including email ID in the descriptions below this video, and you can apply as soon as possible. Next up, senior Python Django developer required in Sharjah. I hope you all know that Sharjah is a Sharjah is a city in UAE, and if you are looking for a job as a software engineer, don't be late, apply as soon as possible as a Python developer. It's a urgent hiring for a senior Python Django developer. Job location Sharjah. Candidates should have minimum 5 years of experience in Python development. This is the minimum criteria and minimum requirements. Responsibilities: as a software engineer, you must operate in line with management directives and in accordance with the company's policies, standards and procedures which from the organization's quality management system. You will be responsible for the developing and maintaining REST APIs required for the web and mobile version of AI. You will also be assigned to manage the deployments and the management of our applications and database servers. So it is all about the software engineering jobs in the Python language fields. If you are interested, if you have the proper qualifications, please don't be late, apply as soon as possible. Before you apply, have a look into these information. The operational responsibilities of these positions are developing back and page as per the business requirements, managing the Elasticsearch engine, creating indexes and updating Elasticsearch, managing the storage database of AI, create ORM models based on features requirements, writing scripts to the scheduling to run as background jobs, deploying applications on AWS EC2 machines, managing ELB, ADS and EC2 service on AI, coordinating with internal terms to understand user requirements and provide technical solutions, documentations of all. Interested candidates, please send your CV to the given official email ID. So don't be late if you have the proper qualifications and experience in the Python developing courses, and don't be late, apply as soon as possible. Let's move to next job, sales consultants required in Saudi Arabia. So I hope you all know that there are many Gulf countries, so there have also openings from this country. We are looking for a high performing sales consultants to meet our clients customer acquisitions and revenue growth targets. Job titles: sales consultants. Job locations: Riyadh. Arabic speaking candidates is must. Work experience: 3 years of B2B corporate sales experience. Transferable lessons is must. Responsibility: market business development in the region. Key responsibilities: key relationships, buildings management, device execute appropriate marketing professional efforts, achieve growth and meet sales targets successfully. Present sales revenue and expenses reports and realistic forecast to the management team. This is all about the responsibilities. How to apply? To apply, you have to forward your ordered CV to given official email ID. Once you send your CV, if your CV will be shortlisted, you can attend the interview. So let's move to next of senior analyst required in Saudi Arabia. The same location, and if you are interested to apply for this job, don't be late, apply as soon as possible. To work as a senior analyst, the responsibility will be building relationships with local authorities, identifying patterns of opportunities, liaising and coordinating with the terms across region, exploring intelligent information from the different economic sources, connecting with the companies to conduct interviews to gather and validate information. This is all about the responsibilities and the applying process. You have to forward your updated CV to the given official email ID. And minimum requirement is minimum 4 years of experience in market research and analysis. Arabic national with excellent proficiency in English, should be based in Libya. So guys, don't be late. If you have the proper qualifications and proper experience in the relevant field to work as a senior analyst. Let's move to next job, product engineer. To work as a product engineer, let's know what is the requirements. Minimum 5 years of development and design experience in implementing, configuring and maintaining wealth insurance products. Ability to work independently as well as team environments. Good knowledge of insurance product management, particularly financial wealth. Construction of the insurance system, integrations of insurance systems in the organizations, understand insurance products functionalities. Should be experienced in .NET Framework, C++, MVC. So guys, to work as a product engineer, you should have the proper qualifications and proper experience in the relevant field as per mentioned by here. So I would like to request you, please go to the description below this video. There are all information available. Please read it carefully. I am just describing you very shortly because the video will be long. So please, my sincere request, go to the description and collect this information from below this video and read it carefully. And for which job you are eligible, you can apply as soon as possible, and hopefully you will get a positive response from the company. So let's move to next job. Patient relations executive required in Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi is a city in UAE, and guys, one of our clients, a dental and medical center in Abu Dhabi, is looking for a patient relations executives. Requirements: nationality Filipino only, gender female only. Job locations: Abu Dhabi. Candidates should be based in UAE. Someone having a medical background, freshers without a UAE experience can also be applied. Salary 3,000 dirham per month. I hope you all know that the currency of the Dubai is dirham. 1 dirham is equal to 19 point something Indian rupees, and also you can calculate as per your home country's currency. So if you are interested to apply to work as a female patient relations executives, you can apply as soon as possible by sending your CV to the given official email ID. Let's move to next job, HR admin coordinator required in Dubai. So guys, job location will be Dubai. Duration 3 months contract. Nationality Indian, Pakistan can be applied. Gender female. Salary 3,500 to 4,000. Candidate must have at least 1 year of VA experience in administrative coordinators. So guys, if you are really interested to work as a HR admin coordinator, you can apply by forwarding your updated CV to the given official email ID. Let's go to next job, operations coordinator required in Dubai. Job descriptions: Transcar Group is currently recruiting for an operations coordinator for its facility management divisions. The job role involves providing efficient and effective coordinations for running smooth IFS operations. The candidate will provide administrative support while managing office functions including worker coordination, security badge and assignments, database management, daily office operations, coordinate monitoring systems, maintaining office records, and providing general support services. This is all about the job responsibility or job descriptions. The role including performing the following functions. This is all about the roles and work functions. This is very important. What is the requirements to apply for this job to work as an operations coordinator? You should have at least bachelor's degree in facilities management, at least 3 years of experience in similar positions, well versed with MEP systems, risk analysis and navigation planning, service level agreement and management and analysis. Minimum English language level 3. This is all about the basic requirements to apply for this job. So if you are really interested to apply for this job, please go to the websites and apply as soon as possible. So guys, today in this video I already shared with you different job openings from UAE or Dubai. So guys, please apply as soon as possible for which job you are really eligible. So let me remind you again what is the job openings. The job openings from Dubai is urgent vacancies. The job is operations coordinators, next HR admin coordinators, next patient relations executive only female, next product engineer, next senior analyst, next sales consultant, next senior Python Django developers, next leasing managers. So guys, different job openings from Dubai. It's a recent job openings. So again, I would like to tell you all information is available in the description below this video. Please go to the descriptions, collect this information and read it carefully, and for which job you are really eligible to apply, you can apply as soon as possible. After you apply, I already told you, once your CV will be utilized for interview, you can attend the interview. Once you get success from the interview, they will guide you for the visa process and everything details to get a job in Dubai. So hope guys this information will be very valuable for you and for your friends and relatives who are looking for abroad job. So please share this information to your friends and relatives. Of course it will be valuable information for abroad job seekers. So guys, again lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video to the end. Let's know what is the recent job openings and what is the applying process, everything details from this video, and apply as soon as possible. So again lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video to the end. Bye bye.